Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add hyperlink to SmartArt graphics in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then go to the Insert menu, select the SmartArt option. Now we can see here many SmartArt, you can choose any. Now I am select this continuous block process SmartArt. Then select the SmartArt, you can write anything, click the text box and write any text. You can change the color, select the SmartArt and go to the SmartArt design menu, select the change color option. Otherwise you can add any style or effect. Now we want to add hyperlink, select the SmartArt, go to the insert menu again, click the link option. Then we can see here the address. Now I am go my browser and we can see here where YouTube channel link. Select the link, click right button, select copy, then go back the Excel and paste the link on the address dialog box, click OK. Now I am click the SmartArt, automatically open the link on any browser. We can see here opening the link on Firefox browser. Wait some moment opening this link. Now we can see we hyperlink SmartArt graphics easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for